Okay, today we're talking about how to prepare and identify the next generation of leaders before we exit. So, if you've been doing the good EOS work, you have created an accountability chart. So, accountability chart talks about all of the roles, the primary roles of an organization, hopefully driving all the way down. Once we have an accountability chart in place, we list out the primary job functions. So for every role in the organization, we are listing out the 5 primary job functions. So this allows us to create this very good execution, who's accountable for what. When issues come up, we know where to send them. What we ask you to do in exit planning is start to think about who are the successors. So just adding one more bullet point. God forbid our integrator was eaten by a purple dinosaur and doesn't show up for work the next day. Who is the next in command who is going to fill their role until we can figure it out? So we just talk about this as succession. Ultimately, we want every role in the organization that has a leadership function to know who their backup is. Ideally, it's 2 levels down, if not. So in this situation, we have the integrator. If they are eaten by a purple dinosaur, the ops leader is going to take over. It may not be forever, but they are next in line. So hopefully every week, every month, every quarter, these two are staying in alignment and operations is being brought up to speed as to what would need to be taken on in order for them to fill the integrator role. Sometimes, like in our marketing role here, the integrator is the backstop. So if something happens to our marketing person, we can move the integrator down, free up some of their time. They can backfill the marketing role until we can refill it. Ultimately, we want to know who in the organization is filling each of these roles, or if we have to go externally to find them, that's okay too. If it's a new hire, just saying, hey, we don't have anyone who's in training, we don't have anyone can fill it. Ultimately, we just want to know how we are going to solve the purple dinosaur issue. That's how we deal with succession. That is how we get those people trained. Once we've identified them, if they're in-house, we use some of our exercises to make sure they are being brought up a little bit every quarter, just a little bit stronger, so that they can ultimately fill those roles. Thank you.